Jamaica amassed a record 92 medals as the curtain came down on the 49th CARIFTA Games at the National Stadium on Monday evening. The Jamaicans ended with 45 gold, 29 silver and 18 bronze medals. Karen Madden has our roundup.
3 days of pulsating action from the region's junior athletes came to an end on Monday inside the National Stadium in Kingston, watched by a bumper crowd which swelled after the local organizing committee waived entry fees for the bleachers. British Virgin Islands under-17 protege Adeja Hodge highlighted the final day of the meet with her third gold medal after clocking a personal best 23.42 to win the under-17 girls 200 meters. The Jamaican duo of Sabrina Dockery 24.25 and Tiana Lee Terrelong 24.64 took silver and bronze respectively. Hodge's win followed victories and personal best performances in the 100 meters 11.29 and long jump 5.75 meters, and the 16-year-old was adjudged the most outstanding performer of the meet, copying the Austin Seeley Trophy.
I didn't know about the award till just recently, but I feel amazing that I got this award and I'm really proud of myself. I'm used to it though. I'm just going to go back and continue to perfect what I'm doing right now. So I'm really grateful for this award, but it's back in the lab we go.
And the day after helping Jamaica to a world under-20 sprint relay record, Brianna Liston 23.16 mined gold in the girls under-20 200 meters ahead of Kayla Kelly, who was third in 24.33.
I'm very pleased. Was kind of worried, how I felt in the heats. I was pretty worried about how I would transition to the final, but I think I did a fair job. Very pleased to deliver 2 gold medals to my country and add to our medal chart, and all that we've been hoping to do with that.
Brian Lavelle grabbed gold in the boys under 2200, clocking 21.18 in a strong headwind ahead of Sandra Davison 21.35, who took silver. The host nation also won 3 of the 4 sprint hurdles finals. Alexis James, 13.32, took gold in the under-20 equivalent to upset her more fancied teammate Anika Wilson, who took silver in 13.67. Javon Blake followed up his 1500-meter triumph by taking the under-20 boys 800 in 1 minute 49.89, with Adrian Nethersole 1 minute 51.96 getting the bronze. The host nation also won all 4 4x400-meter relay finals, with the under-17 girls clocking 3 minutes 43.59 and the boys 3 minutes 17.85. The under-20 girls posted 3 minutes 36.81 seconds of gold, with the boys winning in 3 minutes 08.94 to give Lavelle his third gold medal of the games.
Well, sir, it's a great feeling, sir, knowing that the fans came out. So I think we didn't disappoint them either, sir. It's a great feeling to represent in front of home crowd.
Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.